What if I told you we barely know what's inside our own ocean? Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. We've sent machines far beyond Earth. We've studied distant planets, and we've mapped galaxies millions of light years away. Yet right here on our own planet, the ocean remains one of the biggest mysteries. And here's the shocking part. Scientists say we actually know more about space than we do about the deep sea. So the question is, what exactly is hiding down there in the parts of the ocean we've never truly seen? Because once you start looking closer, you realize the ocean isn't just water. It's a place full of secrets, strange discoveries, and unexplained truths we still can't fully understand. The oceans cover more than 70% of our planet. Think about that for a second. Most of Earth is not land, it is water. And yet, despite covering almost everything around us, the ocean is still one of the least explored places on Earth. We have maps of mountains, deserts, cities, even parts of other planets. But large parts of the ocean floor are still completely unknown to us. It's strange when you think about it. Something so massive, so close to us, and still so hidden. And maybe that's what makes it so mysterious. Because beneath all that water, there could be something huge waiting to be discovered. As we go deeper into the ocean, everything starts to change. Scientists believe that more than 80% of the ocean is still completely unexplored. That means most of it we've never even seen. And the deeper you go, the more extreme it becomes. Sunlight slowly disappears until there is only total darkness, no colors, no visibility, just an endless black world. Then comes the pressure. It becomes so intense that it can crush metal and destroy machines built to explore it. This is why humans can't easily reach those depths. We are limited not by curiosity, but by survival. And because of that, most of the deep ocean remains unknown. Deep in the ocean, life doesn't look like anything we are used to. There are creatures that look almost alien, with strange shapes, huge eyes, and bodies designed to survive complete darkness. Many of them produce their own light. They glow in the dark ocean using a natural ability called bioluminescence, turning the deep sea into a silent world of moving lights. And the most surprising part is, we are still discovering new species all the time. Every time humans explore deeper, something new shows up that we have never seen before. It makes you wonder, how many more creatures are still hidden down there? Because in the deep ocean, life doesn't feel familiar at all. It feels like another world entirely. In the deep ocean, it's not just what we see, it's also what we hear. Scientists have recorded strange sounds coming from the depths of the sea. Sounds so unusual that they don't always match anything known in nature. Some of these signals have been detected only once and then never again. Others keep appearing, but their exact source is still unknown. Even with modern technology, researchers are often left guessing. They can pick up the sound, but not always understand where it's coming from or what is causing it. And that's what makes it even more mysterious. Because somewhere deep below the surface, the ocean is not silent. It is speaking in ways we still don't fully understand. The ocean is not only mysterious, it is also dangerous. Throughout history, many ships have simply disappeared without a clear reason. One moment they were there, and the next they were gone. Some cases can be explained by storms or harsh weather, but not all of them make sense. In certain situations, there was no distress signal, no clear wreckage, nothing that explained what actually happened. This is what makes these stories so unsettling, because the ocean is massive, unpredictable, and full of hidden dangers. When something goes wrong out there, it can vanish completely without a trace. And even today, some of these disappearances remain unsolved mysteries. As scientists explore more of the ocean floor, they sometimes find structures that raise questions. Unusual shapes, formations, and patterns that don't always have a clear explanation at first glance. Because of this, people have also connected the ocean to ancient myths, stories of lost civilizations like Atlantis, and places said to have disappeared beneath the waves long ago. There are even theories that suggest we might still be missing hidden structures deep underwater that we haven't fully understood yet. But it's important to remember, most of these ideas are not confirmed. They are mysteries, theories, and possibilities, not proven facts. Still, it makes you think. What else could be waiting down there, hidden beneath miles of water? Even with all our modern technology, the ocean is still extremely difficult to explore. The biggest problem is the environment itself. The deeper we go, the pressure becomes so intense that it can damage or completely destroy equipment. Then there's the darkness. No natural light can reach those depths, so everything depends on artificial systems that can fail under extreme conditions. Exploring the deep ocean is also very expensive and time-consuming. Only a few missions can go that deep, and even then, for a very limited time. That's why in many ways, the ocean is still harder to explore than space. Because space is empty, but the ocean is heavy, dark, and constantly pushing back against us. When we put everything together, one thing becomes very clear. We have only seen a tiny part of the ocean, and most of it is still a complete mystery. From its unexplored depths, to the strange creatures, to the sounds we still can't explain, and the disappearances that remain unsolved. The ocean is full of questions we don't have answers to yet. And maybe the most interesting part is this. Even with all our technology, we are still just scratching the surface. And maybe we are not meant to know everything yet, because the deeper we look, the more we realize how much is still hiding beneath the waves, waiting quietly in the dark. And now I want to ask you something. What do you think is really hiding in the deep ocean? Do you believe it's just unknown creatures and natural mysteries? Or is there something more that we haven't discovered yet? Write your thoughts in the comments. I would really like to know your theory. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mysteries like this.